morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're having a very long look at the NetComm Mega-i-Modem. That's right, it comes with a 3-year warranty. No joke. It's quite an impressive warranty for a modem, I guess. As you can see, the model number is CD2004. It's a 56K modem, but it is only a V90. So it's not V92, it's not cutting edge, which is interesting. As you can see, those people are very engaged in something. Not sure what. So this is the exterior of the box. I suppose this video is more an unboxing more than anything. It is to show us, what's going on inside the box. And on the outside. I don't know why I didn't record audio at the time that I took the video. I mean, there's audio there. You can hear me rustling the box. I can see in the... Oh, here we go. Gosh, this must have been 2001 in winter. That's 2 years ago now. And there was no reason. I mean, yeah, that's my old apartment. There's no reason for me to have waited this long. Well, I did. And here's the side of the box. It's got the modem specifications. There's V32 biz, everyone's favorite. Interestingly, doesn't list V34. Oh wait, it does. ITU V34. Whatever. It's a class 1 fax modem, my god. Serial connection. Okay. Now, it's interesting that it is still just serial and not USB, because this modem, as I go on to find out, here's a bit of a spoiler, it's from 2008. The chips inside the modem were 2008. It's 2023 now. 2008 is a while ago, but it's not that far ago. Far along ago. Along ago? Far? Far along ago. Whatever. Windows Millennium. Yeah, you don't see that very often. OS 2 gets on there too. Special setup and drivers may be required. Do not connect your modem to a digital telephone line. Ooh, that's exactly what I would have done. Such a rule breaker. Okay, let's look at the back. The back of the box is always where the interesting things are. We're not even 4 minutes in and I'm starting to lose my voice. The fastest, most reliable connections. The latest V90 tech? No. I mean, it probably is the latest V90 technology. It's not the latest technology, it's just the latest V90. MP3s, so they're sort of an advocate for downloading MP3s. It's... yeah, I do like 28.8 modems. Download.com. Mega fun, Mega-i speed. Catchy. Yeah, I'm not gonna... Oh, it was on the stock exchange. There we are, Lane Cove. Email address for contacting them. If we make our way back to the top of the box, internet banking. My god, the future is now. 2008. Internet banking years before that. So I guess this modem is a bit of an artifact. I don't quite understand why it was... once you see the inside, you sort of realize, wow, that's... watch the next video. That'll be on that. Look at that though. ICQ. My chats will run faster. Uh-oh, indeed. And I'm never going to use faxing. So you got to register to get the extra 2 years warranty. You harvest my information, that's fine. That send button though. Some pretty cool graphics for the time. Look at that, I don't know what's happening in that one. Is that a trumpet? A trumpet? Keys? I don't know enough about trumpets. For someone who likes the mighty, mighty boss tones, I really don't know a lot about trumpets. That arrow cursor on that send is kind of disturbing. Yeah, that's fine. Probably what they intended. So let's, yeah, it's like, it's amazing. It's sealed. So this modem has been trapped in this box for, 15 years. Well, at this point, 13 years. Looks like it's had a bit of a hit on that corner too. So we get out the trusty blade and slice through. Interestingly, the plastic was about as thick as the cardboard. And as you can see, that's the perfect cut right there. It was very difficult to do it with one hand. I had to do this. This was just... It wasn't going to work otherwise. There we go. No one will even know I've been inside. I believe this modem was donated to the ACMS, Australian Computer Museum Society. So if you're in the neighbourhood of Sydney, you can stop by their local chapter and have a look at this amazing modem box. And probably the modem too. I suspect the modem would be in the box again. As you can hear, I had a fair bit of difficulty getting this modem out. Gosh, it's tiring just to watch. I'm going to have a break and I'll meet you back here in a few moments. All right, we're back now. I found some peanuts. Hmm. "13 years trapped in a box, here it comes." Wow. What an out of focus reveal. See that CRS number? That was on another modem. I wonder what it stands for. Actually, I'm still not sure what the CD stands for in CD2004. All the Avtechs have, or most of the Avtechs have a CD number at the beginning. AM is auto modem, I know that. CD. Well. Well. There you go. So that's all of the things that should be in the box. It's a bit of a weird manual, the way that it opened with the sort of had a landscape design, but then you open it and it's in portrait. It's a bit off-putting. Not as bad as eating peanuts. Probably should have done that after the video. So it's got lots of information in here. We're going to flick through it, I think. Yeah, look at that. USB cable. They're obviously using a very modern OS here. This looks like it's XP. Yeah, it is too. Windows 2000. That was one of my favorites. I remember using Millennium for a while and it was horrible. Kept crashing on my particular PC. Moved to 2000, it was rock solid, and then I guess XP came along and it used the Windows 2000 code base, which I believe in turn was NT4 code base. Meant to be reliable because it was for workstations, servers and the whatnot. Alright, there we go. So that's some of the manual telling us how to do things. Give me another page. Yeah, oh, we're only halfway through. There's the middle of the book. You can tell because the staples have appeared. So now we're looking at BVRP for Windows. I don't even know what that is. What the heck is that? Adobe Acrobat Reader. I don't know what that is either. BVRP phone tools. Okay, so it's a phone tool device. So it's software for your hardware. Might be interesting, but I doubt it. Especially since I don't have this modem anymore. If you have this modem, congratulations. Faxing with Windows, that's not very interesting. Oh, here's some interesting. So we've got the assignment for the pin out of the RJ11 connector and the serial cable. Very interesting. Ah, so here's how crossover and straight through work. As you can see, crossover crosses over. They look to be using, I'm guessing those are twisted pairs? Yeah, twisted pair cable, yeah, okay. Very interesting. Just, it's incredible how this technology worked. And here, of course, is a USB cable. So it's got an A connection and a B connection. And, of course, registering your product. Who wouldn't want to, right? Extra 2 years warranty. You'd be mad not to. And it's interesting that we see in there that we've got the ACA, Australian Communication Authority, who can deal some pain if need be. Oh, and there's the Trade Practices Act. We now have Australian Consumer Law, which gives us very good warranties over here. Well, not warranties, guarantees. Yeah, so you can't do anything like that or you won't get warranty. It's true. Probably. And then we're back to weird landscape mode. So with that out of the way, we can look at some of the extra paperwork that came with it, the package contents, which I believe we also saw in the actual booklet, so I don't quite know why that was there. Come to think of it, I haven't worn that jacket all winter. We recently got double glazed windows on this building and they're actually doing a pretty good job. Oh my gosh. Amigo? Interesting power brick. You'll note it's got the plastic over the pins, the prongs that go into the wall so you don't get electrocuted as easily when plugging it in or unplugging it. So 9 volt, 800 milliamp. pretty standard stuff, I suppose. It's a barrel connector. Looks like it's got a pretty wide inner diameter there. It's got like a cable tie, bread tie on it. And yeah, there you go. That's nicely insulated so I won't get zapped, which would indicate that it would be, I think, post 2004, just on that alone. Often these days when we order things from overseas, from China in particular, they use a very similar power plug to us. However, their pins aren't insulated, which is usually how you can tell that they've done a grey import. Which can be annoying when you're trying to buy locally. So there's a switch on the side. Look at that. Ooh. This is a V.90 modem in 2008. I still can't believe that. That's just insane. So on the bottom we have more of the same. Points out what it is, gives us a serial number. That's a very RS-232. Why didn't they use the smaller version? I guess the modem was wide enough. It does have line and phone though, which is pretty standard. Interestingly, on most other modems I've dealt with by NetComm, line tends to be the outer port, so closer to the outside of the modem. And it doesn't feel like it's made of much. That shouldn't have much. Oh, never mind. Forget what I was saying. Look at that. So you'll notice it's only got the 2 wires in the middle, which is all you need. And it feels, yeah, it feels like, plastic. There's a, wow. You don't see them anymore. Oh wait, there's one here in my bedroom. I've got the female version in my bedroom. Amazing. It's a relic from, it's quite thick, quite chunky. Got some weight to it, obviously. And lucky last, we have the cable. So it looks like this could connect in using either way. Rather than supply an adapter, they give you the option of connecting it 2 ways. I'm not sure why that is. The only modems I ever used generally tended to have a cable running from them that was the 9-pin rather than the 25. At least at the computer side anyway. Maybe someone else can chime in as to why that is the case. Parallel versus serial, maybe something like that. But there we have it. So that's everything. All we have left now is the box and the modem. So next video, we're going to pull this apart and have a look at the insides. It's going to be amazing. Oh, look at that ergonomic design. It really does make you feel like you were there. Actually, it's really cheap construction, which isn't surprising. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video. We will definitely be having a good look inside this modem. Thanks for watching. McRetro out.